Yo. Fingers crossed everything is working just fine. Hopefully you guys can hear me good. Hopefully the music is working. Finally got both the chats going. Okay, it looks like the music is sound. Looks like we got sound. All right. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, Top Dog, Romeo, Miss Rain, Mason. I know you're going to sleep here soon. Michael, Kelly, Kenny, Piter, Ms. Rain, 3-Spot. How we doing, guys? How was your day? I'm actually going to probably pull the stream up on my phone tonight just to make sure everything's good, because man, we were having technical difficulties. YouTube went and changed everything on us right before the stream and screwed up all our settings and our stream keys and all that, and we had to sort through it as quickly as possible. What's up, Rich Girl Mel? Roja, Ricky, how we doing? Oh, nice, Michael. Well, welcome, guys. Thanks for tuning in tonight. What's up, Sean? Long time no see, brother. How are you? Guys, it happened for me today. By the way, it finally happened for me. I caught the downside move today. I finally caught a good sell-off in the market. It's the first time it's ever happened for me. First time it's ever happened for me. Oh no, Sean, you got into a wreck? Oh, that's terrible. Hey, Dave, what's going on? Sean, that's terrible. Like whiplash? Yeah, thanks, guys. Yeah, it was that never happens for me. I'm definitely a better longside trader than I am. Yeah, Roja. So I took a couple like break-even trades early, and I realized that the price action was slow. But my trading plan this morning was shorts below 170. So I took the 170 short and rode it down all the way this morning, pretty much. Just sat in it. Someone ran a stop sign and hit you? Holy cow, man. Well, I'm glad. I mean, nothing too serious injury-wise, right? Like you're not too banged up, are you? Just a lot of soreness, stiff neck, and stuff like that. What's up, Jeff? Nice, Grumpy. You caught that move down too? Yeah. Yeah, that still sinks. That's horrible, brother. I'm sorry. I'm assuming the vehicle is totaled. Sorry, guys. I will talk markets here in a second. Making sure our guy Sean's okay. I promise. They hit you the dump trailer. What's up, Red? How are you? They hit the dump trailer? Oh yeah. I mean, once that thing gets off course, it's gonna drag whatever vehicle you're driving all over the road. Yeah, 3-Spot. It was nice, guys. I made a little over 4.3K today. It was a really good day. So on the week between yesterday and today, I'm up a little over up over 7 grand. So my week is set. My week is sitting pretty now. Yeah, Sean, definitely. I mean, count your blessings, brother. I'm glad you're alive and I'm not gonna say well because you're hurting, but alive and well, all things considered. That could have been way worse. Yeah, Kelly, the last 2 New York sessions for me have been amazing. I've been trading it really, really well. You know, I have zero complaints about the last 2 days. Just don't tell that to Mason, because I was on a call with him. I was on a call with him when it was happening, and I was definitely frustrated for the first hour, for sure. Oh, man. Three spot. Where am I at? I'm in Kentucky. I'm in Kentucky. I'm in Louisville, Kentucky. Yeah, Kelly, it's been great. It's been a really good week for me. Really, really good week for me. Going up shameless. Design Off, you had the downside today. Did you catch it? I don't even think we fully closed the Sunday opening gap yet. Let's see. Yeah, we did. We closed it. Looks like, right? Did we close it? Where's it at? 85, 75 it looks like. Did we get there? Yeah, we closed it completely. So closed it and pumped off of it. Or at least bounced off of it for now. Michael, you came here to get a puppy? Nice. You can't bring yourself to short even off massive sell-offs. I know. Shorting the markets recently will give people PTSD for sure. For sure. It will make you hesitant. Even I was hesitant, but my trading plan this morning was the key level was that 170 level. So anything below there, I was going to get short bias. So I just followed my trading plan. My trading plan said I really need to start trusting these things a lot better. But this was my trading plan from this morning. It was posted at, what time did I post it? 8:38 a.m. So an hour before market open. Key level 170. Short entry was 170. And then targets to the downside all got hit. So really, I just traded my plan. That's all I did. The land between the lakes is where the puppy was? Okay. Yeah, William, I guess to the top side, what I have up top is going to be... let's see here. So I've got resistance sitting at like 95 would be the next short entry that I see. Really this zone stretches though all the way up to like 125 for me. Nicholas, there's an exclamation in the description of my videos, or you can type exclamation point Discord in the chat and that'll give you that'll provide the link for you. Oh, Kelly, I pretty much just showed it. You know, I said anything below 170 was going to be my short entry. It got heavy through here, and you could see the momentum building. It was a lot of big red sells, aggressive sells on the DOM surface at that time. So really, I just punched it as soon as we got down to 170. I kind of knew when the sell-off happened from the top side of my my SR level here that it was going to go down. And I'm competing in the challenge. What challenge, Nicholas? I know there's two of them going on right now. I know Trade Day's got a competition going on, and I think Patrick Wieland has got a competition going on. What's up, JJ Tiger? How are you? I see you over on the vertical format stream or the shorts feed. If you're interested, JJ, there's two live streams going on right now. You can pop on over to the other live stream on my channel. That's where most people are hanging out at in the chat. You'll get a better viewing experience over there as well. So feel free to select on the other live stream on my channel, and you'll get the full screen, the full effect. Nicholas, no, I'm not in any competitions right now. The reason being is I haven't been, not that it showed in my P&L because my risk management has been appropriate, but I feel like I haven't been trading that well, except for the last 2 days recently. And being in a competition like that where you're just kind of YOLOing, it probably isn't good for my trading right now. Yeah, Kelly, exactly. What's up, Cash? How are you? Kelly, in that instance, I sort of knew 170 was at least going to get floated. So I went break even really quick, and it just ran for me. I mean, you can see there's really no bounce here. There's really nothing there that would keep me out of the trade. Like, my stop initially was up here at 90. And then once we got the sell-off down to below 150, I moved it to break even, and it just kind of ran for me. So I don't always wait for break and retests. You know, if there's indications that we're going to get a big down move or a big up move. On the haul, no, they're not based on volume profile, really. Sometimes volume profile lines up with them, right? But they're more or less based on higher time frame, nothing less than 30-minute swing highs as a swing lows. In other words, I'm looking for like a lot of wicks at a certain price on the higher time frames. Multiple tests. Yeah, William. Who was it? Crypto in the chat caught that Sunday open. He was long from opening price pretty much. I'm kind of hoping we get a couple days of selling now. I'd like to see the market pull back. I'll be watching 6770 on ES for you ES traders, and I'll be watching that 25,100 area on NQ. Grumpy, as far as account balances are concerned, what, Goose, are you watching me right now on the shorts feed on your television? I see you, brother. What's up, Goose? Long time no see, actually. It's been a little while. Congratulations on the new Mustang. Or old Mustang that's new to you. There's Crypto. No, Crypto, you didn't miss much. Tonight, guys, I was short from 25,055 here earlier, but it just came back on me right before I went live. So I only locked in about $100. But as far as account balances are concerned, Grumpy, I would say first and foremost, pay yourself back for the cost of the evaluation, no matter what. You know, like if you've got enough of a balance to go ahead and take that $200 or whatever it is to pay yourself back for the cost, take the $200. Thanks, Miss Rain. Yeah, guys, if you're lurking in the background and want to support the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button. We are on the road to 4K. We could very easily get there tonight, actually. We could very easily get there tonight. We're at 3,962 subscribers, so we might hit a milestone tonight, guys. Live. We might hit a milestone. What, Dave? You can't get the 66 Mustang to fire up? What's up, Goose? How are you, brother? It's pissing you off, Dave? I'm sure Goose is going to be in the similar boat with his Mustang. MP, I'm watching Central Pivot up here around 25,100. I'm gonna wait at this point. I'm not gonna go chase it because all this price in here could get relatively choppy, if you ask me. So I'm gonna actually wait until price gets up here, and then we'll make a decision on what I'm gonna do. You're cooking chicken noodle soup tonight, Goose? That sounds good. What did I have tonight? I had chicken enchiladas. That's what I had. Yeah, I'm going to be waiting. Like, you guys, I think the move is up. So if you get a nice pullback, say to like just below 50 or right at 25,050, that could be a good long setup. If you can get that pullback. VWAP's kind of sitting right there. But we'll see what happens. Chiefs already collecting for the ref fund, Dave. Dave, we got you this weekend. It's Lions Chiefs on Sunday night. Ooh. That might be a rough stream for me, guys. I don't know. Should I just not stream on Sunday night and watch the Lions Chiefs game? Ooh. Ooh, decisions. What's up, Blazed? What's up, Rick? I gotta catch gold, Rick. I don't know. I am very hesitant on trading gold. Do you think we trade back into 4K? I mean, it feels pretty heavy, right? Kaka, please don't stream Sunday. The problem is like Sundays are actually our best streams, usually. As far as the YouTube analytics are concerned, they're usually our best streams. At least highest numbers. So it's kind of hard to... it's kind of hard to give up those streams. Am I Black? How do futures work? Oh, man. How do we explain futures easily, guys? Am I Black, if you're interested, for everybody who's in the vertical stream right now, there's 2 live streams going on. One's in the shorts feed. The other one is on my main channel in the 1920 by 1080 format. That's where most people are hanging out. So feel free to pop on over to the horizontal stream if you're interested. And then you get the full viewing experience. Yeah, Joshua, I mean, in its simplest form, yeah. So you're buying a contract, whether it be an E-mini or a micro contract, and a contract has a value per tick. Rick, just go on to my channel, and it's the live stream dated today that does not have the word mobile in the title. It's the other one. I'm Black. Wait, what? Josh, you've been trading Nasdaq for 5 years now? Nice. Yeah, you're right. You're pretty much right there with me. Like 4.5 years is what I've been trading. I'm not the world's greatest trader, though. I will admit. No MIB, but it does sound funny though. Yeah, I got you, Goose. I got you, Goose. Yeah, Goose, we figured out how to do it in both the shorts feed and the horizontal format, just to give you a heads up if you're interested in the future. The shorts feed gets more views. Obviously, the horizontal stream is the better viewing experience. But it's a way to multi-stream, kind of. You use OBS, Josh? I'll be honest with you, Josh. I recently switched from OBS to Streamlabs, and it has been actually A, it was very easy to do, and B, it's a lot better for the multi-streaming purposes. You can actually transfer all your OBS settings over to Streamlabs with the click of a button. I highly recommend it. But you just have to get basically 2 stream keys. It's a little bit of a process, but it's really not that bad. And Josh, your Nightbot and everything will still work in Streamlabs too. 3 Spot. No, I don't stream during the New York session currently. There just isn't enough interest there for me to do it. I'm not competing with the big boys. Channel's not big enough just yet. Holy gold shorts. Anybody catch the gold move down? That's a nice little sell-off on gold. Coming right back into 4K. What's up, Romeo? How are you? What's up, Tommy? Nice, Grumpy. Just passed the eval. Congratulations. GG's in the chat for Grumpy. Naz is ripping right now, too. Oh, Naz did rip up there. Josh, your Asia session streams are pretty decent. Yeah, my channel wasn't doing anything until I moved to the Asia session. To be fair, it was only when I moved to the Asia session that we saw any growth on the channel. Like in June, I had 600 subscribers, I think, somewhere around there. And then I started streaming the overnight sessions, and all of a sudden, things picked up. Oh, nice 3-spot. Crypto stream from Discord. I mean, right now, honestly, guys, I tune everything out during the mornings and just trade for a couple hours, make my money, because this is how I make my money, right? Like, I'm not making much money off of YouTube at all. Definitely not enough to pay the bills. So I just kind of do my pre-market trading plan, my pre-market analysis, post it in the Discord for those people who've purchased channel memberships to my YouTube channel, and then I kind of tune out for, you know, like an hour or two for the most part, and just focus up and trade on my own. Currently. Eventually, I'd like to stream during the New York session, though. Like, it'd be a nice change. Like, right now, the days are long. Yeah, Josh, exactly. Man, I know gold finally fell a little bit there on that drop for sure. Did it hit 4K? Let's see here. Oh, yep. No, not yet. It's still got a little more room, I think. Still got a little more room to the downside. When I become a 7-figure trader. That's a long ways off, crypto. Blaze, you guys just want me in front of the camera at all times? It's hard to stream and trade at the same time. Like, it's very difficult, guys. There's a lot of distractions, a lot of noise. It's a lot harder than it seems. What's up, Tyler? Yeah, Rick. Yeah, Rick, that's not what I ever want my channel to be about. Like, I don't watch any other streamers. I'll be 100% honest with you. Every now and again, you know, I'll tune into my guy Red Candle's stream after I get off here, because he normally streams till about, I don't know, 1 a.m. Streams so late. And then I'll check out Pine Tree Trader right before I go live for like a minute or two and say what's up. But other than that, I don't really, I don't even pay attention to what's going on in the trading influencer world at all. It just creates noise and confusion for me. So I do my own thing, kind of stay in my own lane. Lights, camera, action all day. It's very difficult, guys. Like, there's a lot going on. You know, you got your streaming software, you got the charts, you got the chat, you got Discord, you got the lights in your face. You got to make sure everything's working. Like, there's a lot going on this end. Kelly, I used to watch Trades by Matt. It's not like Trades by Matt and I are super close, though, or anything like that. Like, he knows who I am because I posted my trading plans in his Discord. But it's not like we're super close. You know, it's not like I would just call him out of the blue. Yeah, 3-spot. That's kind of what's nice about doing the overnight sessions, because there's not that pressure. You know, there's not like a huge move happening all the time. Trades by Matt is leading the Wheeling Challenge with almost 80K in 2 days. He's just throwing massive size around. I mean, if he went max leverage on the short side today, That was a big enough move to make a lot of money. Yeah, Kelly, we're cool. Like if I DM'd him or something like that, he would holler back. For sure, but he's a busy guy. Oh, Matt from My Funded Futures is winning it. Okay, I got you now. So Rocket Scooter Matt, is that what you're saying, Dope Book? Yeah, Josh, shorts were short. That's where I made all my money today, was on the short side for sure. Yeah, Dope Book, he's a good trader. He's a good trader. He's a good trader. Really smart guy. Oh, Tyler, cheers. Yeah, glad we could work that out for you. Oh, yeah, guys. I got an update for you on the, I got an update for you. Oh, thanks for the support, Test Hero. By the way, link your YouTube account to your Discord profile. Make sure you join Level Up Discord, and you'll have access to my pre-market trading plans on NQ each morning. Thanks for the support, brother. I appreciate you. But yeah, Tyler, here's the update on the Take Profit Trader, which Tyler actually made me aware of this morning. So apparently, the Take Profit Trader giveaways, you get the evaluation or the test for free, but then they try to charge you an activation fee of $130, which is more expensive right now than just purchasing an evaluation. And they were trying to make one of our giveaways, one of the winners of our giveaways after he passed, which congratulations, Tyler, by the way. GG's on the passing of that evaluation, and congrats on the funded. But they're trying to charge $130 activation fee for these things. And I'm thinking, wait, these are giveaways that you gave to us for hitting certain like sales targets, you know, for your accounts. So I had Mason, my editor, and I had him contact Take Profit Trader and said, yo, we are going to rectify this. Which, by the way, Tyler, if they were going to force you to pay that, I was going to pay that out of pocket. So you would not have been charged. In fact, anybody that has won an account, if you've passed a Take Profit Trader account and can screenshot it to me and say that you've paid, I will pay you back. I think that's completely wrong that they don't define that when they say, here's free accounts to give away. It's a little shady. 3Spot in the YouTube search bar, just type in link YouTube to Discord, and there will be a 1-minute video in there that will walk you through the steps real quick. Oh, nice, Piter. You went with Lucid? Oh, thanks for using code West. I appreciate you. Dope booking someone. Oh, okay. I can't even repeat that. Goodness. Yeah, Jimmy, like I was under the impression that that was not a thing, so I apologize to everybody. I will not be doing, I don't think I'm going to be doing giveaways until that situation is fixed. We did get Tyler all taken care of though, right, Tyler? Like you don't have to pay an activation fee or anything, right? Yeah, James, I was short from 25,055 or before the stream and actually got stopped out on the way back up here right before I went live. All right. Yeah, Tyler, you should have a credit in there on your account. They should be crediting your account for that account activation. Or so I've been told. Or so I've been told. What's up, Massive? How are you? But yeah, I apologize for any confusion, guys. I did not know that was a thing. When they said account giveaways, I automatically assumed that was a free account because that's what every other firm does, right? Um, I didn't realize that the activation fee was going to be more expensive than actually just using the promo code and going through the evaluation. Little slimy. Yeah, design knob. I don't fully understand that. I think giveaways should be giveaways. You know, like the person who wins the giveaway should not have to pay anything. Like it's really weird. So like for instance, that size account with the code is no activation fee. It's like a little over $100, I think, for that size account for the 50Ks on Take Profit Trader. The activation fee is $130. So like why not just get through the test? I mean, you save yourself 5 days, but Apex giveaways, you still have to pay the activation fee too? That's crazy. Yeah, design knob, pretty much. You're gonna save yourself almost $30. Ms. Rain, it's 102. Yeah, you're gonna save yourself almost $30 just for not winning the giveaway. Like, what's the incentive there? I don't understand. Yeah, Kevin, it is just an eval giveaway, 100%. Time for some Jimmy's over in the shorts feed saying time for some Wesley Emeraldgate branded Visa gift cards. Yeah, T Cooper. I mean, I was under the impression. I mean, I've never won a giveaway from any streamer, nor have I entered to win a giveaway. But I don't think I think giveaways should be exactly that. They're giveaways, right? Like I don't think you should have to pay more. But that's just me. You know, I don't run a prop firm or anything like that, so I have no idea what goes on behind closed doors. What's up, Top Dog? How are ya? Tyler Tyler Goose told you to come watch. Yeah, is Goose still watching? I don't even know if he's still here or not. I don't see him online anymore. But he did send me a picture of him watching the live stream on his television. You finished the chicken noodle soup, Goose? Oh, nice. All right. Goose is still around. What's up, Blair? How are ya? Yeah, Piter, I haven't reached payout with Lucid yet, so I can't really say on that. I haven't heard anything bad from them. I do think that you have to clear the buffer, and then you can only withdraw profits above the buffer with Lucid. So, like, if you have a 50K, say, and the buffer is $2,100 or 20, I don't know how much it is on Lucid. Everybody's buffer is a little bit, I think it's 2,100. Any profits over 2,100 is what you're entitled to. Tyler, why such a small window for Dom Surface? Tyler, because I've got two streams going on right now, and one is just in the shorts feed, and there's not enough screen real estate to drag it out cleanly on the shorts. So on the shorts feed, all you get is the candlestick chart, this little portion right here. So that's kind of why I have it where it is. Rick, Lucid paid you out last week so fast. Nice. Oh, nice, Top Dog. Day traders. No monthly fees. Free Quant Tower. Blair, you're hanging out in San Antonio for work? No monthly fees. Free Quant Tower with Rhythmic Pro. Free data. That's nice. Goose is telling Tyler to get it together. I don't think it's that small. I mean, I can always zoom out, I guess. What's up, Kyle? How are you? Goose, what'd you do? Goose, did you are you in your Discord shouting out my stream right now? I got the whole well, what's the name of your Discord right now? Is it still Very Cool Sam? The chef. I think there's value in both. Technically, there's value in both. If you don't have a lot of money, if you don't have a lot of money, I would say props are, or if you're in the learning stages, props are probably going to save you money as long as you approach it right. Once you are once you're profitable and you can prove that you're profitable over a length of period of time, the leverage that is there that wouldn't be there in a small personal account I think is highly valuable, if you ask me. But yes, you are operating under tight restrictions for sure. Sam's having a kid soon, Goose? Oh, nice. Oh, Blair, you took that L with me last night on stream? Yeah, what did I lose? I lost 370 on stream last night. I was wrong instantly. That was a dumb trade, though. That was literally a trade of me sitting there for 2.5 hours on stream without catching a thing and entering just to have some action. That was so dumb. Day trader has high fees. Yeah, Crypto, I was on stream last night too. I was definitely a DGen on stream last night. Shouldn't have been. Should not have been a DGen on stream last night. All right, we're coming up into an area of interest for me, so I'm going to start watching the charts. Central pivot's sitting right at 25,100. We'll start watching as price gets up towards there. I really want to see if price rejects this 95 area. Is gold still falling? Oh, gold started chopping a little bit. Consolidating right above 4K. What's CL doing? Oh, oil's making a nice little move, huh? What do we got going on here on oil? $120 to $150. Is that your expected range, Goose? What's up, Joel? Miss you, brother. I never see you anymore. Wow, we got the whole crew in here tonight, huh? Guys, for those of you that are newer to the channel, Banana Bread Trades also has a YouTube channel. He is the inventor of the Glizzy Clipper indicator that I had on my charts for a very long time. Feel free to check out his channel, give him a subscribe, check out his indicator. It's a very good indicator, mean reversion indicator. Goose hasn't posted to his channel in forever, though. He has not posted anything in a while. Prop Shop has 60% off end of day. The one that I kind of want to try out next is going to be Trade Day. Trade Day has a lot of different accounts going right now. Or you can do end of day, you can do intraday. They have same day payouts. That's kind of the one that I want to try next. I think they've been around a long time. They seem reliable. Aquaman futures design knob. Goose, you're too busy building a house. Is that what you were digging for? Did you buy a big piece of property or something, Goose? Ammunition. No, I'm not in a trade currently. I'm not in a trade currently. Miss Rain, I've heard of Aqua Futures. I think my buddy Red Candles I think he's trading with Aqua Futures. Jimmy, trade day is more my style. Their rules incentivize slow and steady trading. Yeah, I mean, you cashed out, and instead of buying a boat, you bought land and we're going to build a house? Nice, Goose. Congratulations. I know you hit some big trades recently, so I know you're doing very, very well. Congratulations on all the success. Congratulations on the time off. Has Joel automated YouTube comments now? Tyler, I think that's just how Joel talks to me. He always says, hello, WesleyEmeraldGate from YouTube. Hello, streamer WesleyEmeraldGate. Oh, goodness. All right, Goose, so you're thinking 125, so overnight lows from last night? Yesterday's value area low? Okay. Piter, check out gold. Oh, jeez. Are you kidding me? Dude, gold is destroying accounts tonight. Gold is absolutely destroying accounts tonight. Yeah, ammunition. I mean, we're heavy back end on the news front this week, for sure. For sure. Man, gold is ripping people's faces off tonight, guys. Biter, you just blew top step? Oh, no. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's ridiculous. I mean, there's no way you're trading mini contracts on this. There's zero chance. Like, you have to have such pinpoint accuracy on your entries. All right, come on, Naz. Let's get up there. Might be chilling for a minute here. Rick, 3 micros tonight? Yeah. I mean, definitely go to the micros on gold. 100%. Actually, we'll make that 1,000%. And then there's silver at $25 a tick doing the same thing. Yeah, that's crazy too. Oh, jeez. Yeah, I'll steer clear of all that. Joel at Banana Bread trades 3 minis on gold right now. Goose, Goose, have you been trading at all? Are we cooling off in Kentucky right now? It's 70 degrees here right now, Grumpy. That was 80 to 90 in 1 minute. Oh my goodness. Yeah, no thanks. My Forex fund returning soon, Ajaz. How many Forex traders do we have in the chat out of curiosity? Because I don't trade Forex. Guys, smash that thumbs up button for me if you could. It really does help out the channel. It really does help push out the content. British pound JPY is crazy ammunition. Yeah, I don't touch Forex. I pretty much stick to futures. Oh, good. Is this going to be a cup and handle? Oh. Nobody traded Forex and brags about how much money they made, Goose says. Oh. I mean, even the Nas is doing kind of dirty things. I was short from here earlier. And I think I saw like $500 flash on the profit, and then it came back on me. Telling Joel, oh man, you guys are out of your minds. 5 minis on gold. Are you kidding me? My Forex fund is better than FTMO. I've heard of FTMO. I haven't heard of my Forex fund. All right, we'll see what happens up here towards 100. Oh, no. Joel, don't do it. Joel, don't get baited by Goose. Don't get baited into that. Are you kidding me? Watch this just roll over from here and come back down in the next 10 minutes. Oh, no thanks. Is this a cup without a handle? I mean, you kind of had a little handle here, right? For all you chart pattern traders. I'd like to see it a little bit higher. It sounds like a lot of people are looking up in this area up here. Ammunition, you think we're going higher? You think that's the low for the Asia session is in? It could be. For the Asia session, yeah, it definitely could be. This is a pretty strong move up. What, JC? Nvidia to take up to 2 billion equity stake in XAI? Crypto, you've been long since 50? Oh, you're in a banger. I think you've got at least another 25 points in this. All right, we got about 170 people in here now. Thanks for tuning in tonight, guys. I appreciate you. So you're saying, Top Dog, so what you're saying is the extension is supposed to be the depth. So it's supposed to be double this move, is what you're saying? Or equal to this move? Half of it should be the handle. Oh, okay, so you're saying the handle hasn't printed yet, is what you're saying. Like, in other words, we should get some more downside before the move, like possibly back into VWAP. Oh, you're saying it's supposed to be equal to the depth of the... Okay, equal to the depth of this dip? It's horseshoes and hand grenades. Let's see. Are we going to get there tonight? Oh, guys. We are so close. While I'm waiting for price to move, we are getting there. We are 17 subs away. 17 subs away from 4K. I think we're gonna hit it tonight. I think we're gonna hit it tonight. All right, come on, Naz. The problem is I kind of want the short side. I kind of want the heavy sell below 25K, but I don't think the entry is until a little bit higher. And I'm not willing to scalp along for 20 points. Yeah, Kelly. Like I said, you know, back, let's see, just in June of this year, we had 600 subscribers. 600. So it's been an unreal rocket ship that we've been on. At least for my channel, it feels like a rocket ship. Crypto, I have alternate YouTube accounts? Wait, what? Alternate YouTube accounts? For people watching? Oh, crypto. Yeah. No, people don't have to go create new YouTube accounts to push the sub count up. Oh, jeez. I mean, come on. I want it to be organic, you know? I want the growth to be organic. I don't want it to be just duplicate accounts all over the place. Joel, you got confused and created 5. Oh, no. You guys are crazy. That seems like a lot of work. Break of structure on the 1 minute ammunition. Yeah, I still want price to go higher. I know. Let's see what kind of size we got up here. I mean, it looks like there's interest, like kind of like what Goose said here, up into 150-ish, it looks like, and a little bit above. Got a 55 block sitting here at 74. And it just looks like layers of orders stacked in all the way up to 150, 160. Let's see extended. What do we got? What are we looking at right now? Wow. We got some interest down here at 24.8. And then all obviously back up at all-time highs as well. You won't take it short until we clear the wick high? Oh, Goose, this one you mean? Right here? 25.75? Well, let's do something here real quick. Let's see what we're looking at as far as top to bottom here on a retracement. First and foremost. Okay, so 50% would be 130. The 61.8 would be 165 from today's move. So, yeah, that entry looks pretty good, Goose, actually. Might have to give it a little bit of room to breathe, I think. But I do like more downside. I mean, we got, let's see, where's the daily 20 at right now on the Nas? The daily 20 sitting at 24,754. That seems like the first logical pullback target for any swing positions on the short side. So you got the daily 50 down at 24,040 right now. Hey, thanks for the subs, guys. I appreciate you. All right, here's a little rollover. Looking kind of bear flaggy. Yeah, I know it is. It is, Bowser, for sure. I feel like it needs to retest the, you know, a prior support zone and turn it into resistance first, though. You know, come up here and at least test this area. And then we'll see what happens. In fact, let's go ahead and drag this up a little bit higher at this point. Yeah, that looks better. That looks better. Actually, let's just go 130, 110. Let's make this easy. Something like that. So this is what's up, the grinding? How are ya? Oh, nice, Kyle. Richie ES is on the weekly open right now. The Nas is above it. Yeah, ES is at 3770-ish, 3768. What's up, Jeremy? How are you? I'm not opposed to a VWAP bounce here. And playing the long back up into 100, but I don't really see much interest close to current price below. I mean, there is a little bit, but it feels like the Asia session traders are trying to hold above 25K on the Nas right now. What number am I looking for? Kelly, I'm looking for above 100. You've got all this right here. This is what you want to see get tested. You got the... Goose. Goose, you're big chilling right now, aren't you? Big chilling. You got me on all your TVs right now? My goodness. Oh, Professor Loki? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, sometimes it's hit or miss when you're trading the overnight sessions, for sure. The grinding, remember? Yeah. Oh, yeah, you were up 2K? One. And then it's tested. What do I expect? Watching Jeremy play games while we trade. Okay. Oh, is that what he's got going on over there? It looks like he's got some sort of charts up for sure. And then it looks like you have my stream going. And you're just maxed out. You are just maxed out. Are you sipping on a beverage over there, Goose? What? The grind in the 2K was gone when you woke up this morning? Oh, man. If you were going to fall asleep, you should have at least taken partials and gone break even for sure. It's hard to leave open. I have a hard time leaving open orders without safety measures in place. Oh, nice. Jeremy passed his first Top Step eval a couple of months ago. He's been slow grinding the funded account. Nice, Goose. Nice, Goose. Tell Jeremy I said congrats. Just keep the account alive. Just keep it alive at all costs. Holy crap. Kyle's got it on multiple screens as well, apparently. I'm getting DMs of people watching the stream on multiple monitors and television screens right now. Thanks, guys. Appreciate the love and support. Appreciate you all. We got almost 200 people in here right now. We're getting close to 4K subs. Arlie, you went long. Pray for you. I mean, I like the long. You just are going to have to give it a little bit of room, I think. Bullinock's not working. About to get account. Oh, Loki. Bullinox is not working? Are you saying Code West at Bullinox is not working? Someone said that last night too. So Loki, let me know if it's not working. Musine. Yeah, gold already ripped people's faces off with this stuff right here. Pretty sure the gold traders are scared. Says code invalid or expired, Loki? Let me take a look real quick. Someone said it last night too, and I forgot to take a look at it today. Code invalid or expired. That doesn't make any sense. Give me 1 second, Loki. I'm gonna go try to find it real quick. Okay. Okay, Loki, try Wes, all caps, and then the number 1 after it. So Wes 1. Or, actually try this one. Try 8, capital H, 4, capital C, 7. It looks like this one is 83%. Yeah, let's try the second one that I gave you. So, number 8, H, capital H as in Harry, 4, C as in cat, and then 7. For some reason, Bullinox gives their higher discounted codes, not the name. They give some random... I don't know. It's weird how they do it. Yeah, Joel, that's it. The Goose, Mason's asleep right now. Mason is asleep. Mock is asleep currently. When they roll codes, you get a random till I define it. Yeah, so Bullinox, guys, I mean, here's why I don't know what it is, right? Just to give you guys a heads up about Bullinox and what my code has done for people. We've had one purchase on Bullinox. One purchase using my code. Just to give you a heads up. So that's the kind of traffic we get with the affiliate codes. Tell Mock to get it together, slacking for real. Thanks, Loki. I appreciate you. Thanks for using the code. Classic part-time Brit, Joel says. No, he's I mean, he's got classes early now. He's back in school, so we'll cut him a little bit of slack. Oh, this is classic WesleyEmeraldGate live stream price action here. All of a sudden. This is classic chop sideways during the Asia session. Yeah, Goose, I kind of agree with you. I really like Lucid. That's what I'm trading tonight, actually, is a Lucid account. I've got, let's see, how many? I've got 2 fundeds with them right now. Neither one is to pay out, though. Neither one has cleared the buffer. Goose, actually, you should take a look. You should take a look at my funded futures. I think it's not the core plan. It's the scale plan. The 50K scale plan right now has a flex add-on that you can request $6,000 each payout. You should check it out, though. Yeah, Nexus. It's code West at My Fun and Futures. I know, Goose. I know, Goose. I know they've given you trouble in the past for some reason. Guys, Goose is such a good trader that prop firms are like, nah. Sorry, we know you're taking millies from us. But yeah, Nexus, it's code West, capital, all caps, is my That's my code with most of the props. Obviously, with the exception of Bull and Ox. The one that I don't have, the big one that I don't have a code with, I'm never going to have a code with, and it's probably the one that would make me the most money affiliate-wise, but I just don't, I don't personally agree. What's up, Sarah? How are ya? Sarah, you're more than welcome to pop into the other stream. That's the full screen. I know you're on the shorts feed right now, but there's 2 live streams going on. But yeah, it's been a little while. How are you? Goose also took your heart this month. Oh, thanks, Nexus. I appreciate you. You've taken 3K from Top Step and 6K from Lucid this month. Goose, you haven't even been at the charts for the last 2 weeks. Like, you haven't been around. Yeah, Sarah, pop on over. What's up, Lambra? What's up, Spencer? How are you? Oh, you've just been going all mobile? Yeah, there you go, Sarah. Sarah, I hope you're doing well. Trading's been good? Arlie, it's kind of hard to be in on a trade right now. It's just chopping. I mean, is anybody on... Oh, gold actually ripped new highs. Okay, gold is crazy. Are we going to go to 5K on gold? Like, is that what the goal is here? I mean, look at this chart. Are you kidding me? Tyler, Goose had an almost entire green month via mobile in rural Kansas. Yeah, I know. The Goose is the man. Skills are unmatched. Yeah, NQ has just gone completely sideways after retracing the move down off the open. Let's see here. Oh, guys, we are 10 subs away from 4K. 10 subscribers away from 4K subs. Low risk, just taking highs. Bowser, you think we're heading down from here on NQ? Loki, so this is, yeah, it's very similar to Bookmap. So I trade on Quantower trading platform. This is called Dom Surface. It's pretty much the same thing as Bookmap. Very similar. Very, very similar. Like if I zoom in on my chart, you get the same kind of color coordination with the books. So yeah, it's very similar. I can see all the orders on the Dom through here. What's up, Canary? How are ya? Yeah, Musine, I do think we go a little higher. I'm not sure when it happens, but I still do think we make a trip back above 100 before we get any, like, a serious sell-off. I mean, I'm not opposed to a dip down to VWAP and then the bounce up and then the sell. You know, come down here, come up to where the prior day's VWAP was resting up here. Maybe even float it a little bit higher. Kind of like what Goose was saying, actually. You know, test these lows one more time. Puneet, what stock is that? It's not a stock. This is actually a U.S. index futures. This is the Nasdaq. Ticker symbol NQ. That makes sense to you, Canary? Yeah, I mean, that's normally what you like to see. What's up, Trade Flows? How are ya? I said your name right. Doesn't happen very often. Nice, thanks. Thanks for the sub. I appreciate you. Oh, Trade Flows, you were watching Stephen Kalasian. For those of you that are interested, by the way, that are in the Shorts feed stream, feel free to click on the other live stream on my channel right now, and you'll get the better viewing experience. That's where most people are hanging out in the chat, by the way. It'll be the 1920 by 1080 stream. You'll be able to see the DOM surface and see everything that's going on, really. The Shorts feed just doesn't have the screen real estate to show everything. So feel free to just click on that other live stream and pop on over to that stream. Oh, thanks, Trade Flows. You like my stream? Oh, you just reminded me. You just reminded me, Puneet. I forgot, guys. There's a Tesla reveal tonight, isn't there? Unbelievable that I let that slip my mind. What's up, Doctor? How are you? Oh, Tommy, you're watching the Yankees game? Yeah, I think the Tigers got rained out earlier. I haven't looked to see if they resumed it, but I know it was on a delay. I need to be better about checking the economic calendar, for sure. Family Friend is the starting pitcher that gave up 6 runs. Oh no. Okay, what time is the Tesla reveal, guys? If you know. On ONDS. 9:30 Pacific. Okay, so that'd be 12:30 my time, Puneet. I'll probably be done with the stream by then. That's 2.5 hours away. You've already sent him a text. Good thing you didn't bet on him. Yeah. I'm trying to find Tesla reveal. Yeah, Nep, that's what it looks like. The Tesla, so it's an affordable Model Y is what they're revealing? Is that what they're saying? Affordable at $40,000. You gonna try to trade with me in the evenings? You're still somewhat newer in the morning sometime. Oh yeah, trade flows. Like New York session, there's a lot of volatility. Um, like if you're newer to trading, I would recommend probably starting during the overnight sessions, just because it generally moves a little bit slower. You know, you got more time to react. But definitely watch during the New York session for sure, or trade on a practice account. Yeah, yeah. The V8 Mustang was only $1,800. Goose, Goose, you got any work to do? Actually, at $1,800, you probably don't have much work to do on that. High mileage, I'm assuming. It even came with one working headlight. Canary. So my trading platform doesn't have individual. At least I don't think it does. I haven't looked. I'm pretty sure it's just futures and options, I think. Goose, do you know? Goose is my go-to for quant hour trading platform for sure. Yeah, individual tickers I can't. I could pull up TradingView though. It just won't be up to. Yeah, 3 spot 100%. Like if you're just starting to learn how to trade, I highly recommend starting in the Asia session, the overnight session. Like if you're throwing real money at it at least. Oh, Sean, nice. You back? Yeah, we're just sitting here. We're just chilling. Sitting here waiting. Sitting here waiting for Price to do something. Thanks for the sub, Eddie. Appreciate you. Let's see here. Oh, guys, we are 4 subs away from 4K actually now. Overnight with ES, try not to fall asleep. Sometimes dope book for sure. I mean, the overnight sessions on any symbol, so a lot of times are that way. Metals are kind of what's moving around. Golly, gold. What are we doing here? Start with Asia so you can learn how to pull your hair out, then New York so you can learn how to deal with heart attacks. Romeo. Yeah, I mean, look, if you're a beginning trader, size way down, trade nothing more than a micro or two contract wise, just so you can get used to it first and foremost. I definitely don't recommend diving head first with mini contracts. Oh my goodness. I am so glad I did not get into a trade, guys. I am so glad I didn't get into a trade in this. Yeah, crypto 100%. Paper trade is the way to go. For sure. John Wick is gold. I know, Canary. Not, yeah, Sarah, thanks. I appreciate you. I remember you telling me you had all your kids subscribed. Like I said, guys, the last 2 days, regular trading hours has been great for me. It's been great. What's up, Thomas? How are you? It's been great for me. A little over 7K the last 2 days. I cannot complain. I could take the rest of the week off and be completely fine with that week. For sure. Oh, crypto, you run both at the same time? Okay. So you run a paper and props at the same time? There's nothing wrong. Actually, that's smart, to tell you the truth. That's real smart. That way, if you feel the DJ, hey Kyle, thanks for the gifteds, appreciate you, brother. Congratulations to all those people that are winning those gifteds right now. Be sure. Oh, we hit 4K, Kyle? Really? Did we really? Oh my goodness, we did hit 4K. Guys, we did it. We did it. I'm not gonna lie, that number seems so surreal to me. It just seems so surreal. Yeah, Goose, it's crazy. It's crazy, man. Crazy. Rick, how long did it take me to get to 4K? Rick, put it this way. What's going on my channel right now is, from what I've heard, is like rare, right? As far as the acceleration, I've been streaming for a little over a year now, is how long it took. However, in June I had 600 subscribers, for reference. So it's really just been in the last, I don't know, since June, where the channel's kind of picked up. It's crazy. Goose. I think a year ago I was homeless and poor, and now you have billions of 4K subs. Yeah, I realize it's real small in the grand scheme of things, guys, and I get sentimental from time to time, because a lot of hard work goes into these channels. Like, I think people underestimate the amount of hard work and the fortitude that it takes, because there's many times along the journey where you want to quit, when you're not seeing the numbers go up, when you're just out there streaming in front of 12 people, 10 people every day, you just never expect your channel to like grow. So I can't thank you all enough. Like I said, you guys deserve all the credit here. Like I've said it a million times, there's nothing special that I do. I'm not the world's greatest trader. I'm no guru. Yes, I'm a profitable trader. Yes, this is how I make my living, but I'm not one of these multimillionaire traders, Like, I'm one of you guys. And I'm one of you guys. I just happen to surround myself with really good people. So, thank you. Thank you so much for all the love and support. On to 5K. On to 5K. Let's see how quickly we can get to 5K. Yeah, Alex, it's a grind. Like, YouTube is really, really hard. It's really, really difficult. Extremely difficult. What's up, Khaled? How are ya? Sean, let's get to 100K. Yeah, Sarah, cheers. No, thank you guys for being a part of this community. I would put my trading community up with anybody out there. With anybody out there. You guys are amazing. You guys are the reason why my channel's taking off. It's nothing special that I do. I'm not that entertaining. My trading's kind of boring. But hopefully you find value in my channel. Hopefully you're learning something, whether it be through me or from somebody in the community. Yeah, unreal. Design up. It's almost comical at this point. Design, you looking at gold? Thanks, guys. No, thank you. Seriously. Yeah, teammate Alex. It's very difficult. It's a tough road, and especially when you're not making money. Like, you're not making anything off of it, really. I think my channel earns like $200 a month right now, guys, just for reference, off of ads. $200 a month. Nep, nothing. I took one trade prior to going live tonight. That's why you see the $120 up there in close profit, but I haven't taken anything since. Rocket UFO. I live in Kentucky. I live in Louisville, Kentucky. I know I'm talking about shit. Yeah, as he flies. Gold is just on a rocket ship. I mean, it's just up, up, up and away. There's nothing. There's no stopping it. It's you literally just wait for a dip to bottom out and get long. Look at this chart. I mean, for real. Up, up, up and away. It's almost turned into something like a meme coin, you know? STEM, I think it is more psychological than it is what I could risk. You know, for me, I'm comfortable where I'm at. I make enough money to live comfortably. There's something about when you're copy trading all those accounts, in my mind, where you know that $200 loss is all of a sudden a $4,000 loss, that just triggers me. I don't know what it is, but there's something that just keeps me from doing it personally. So if it's going to mess with my psychology, if it's going to mess with my emotions, and what I'm doing currently is successful, why change it? You know, eventually when my account, when I have a lot more money, I will probably scale up, but I'm not at that point where I'm comfortable with it yet. Wish I was. What's up, Howard? How are ya? Alyssa, how are you? Those of you that are viewing in the shorts feed, I'll tell you what I've told everybody else. You're more than welcome to pop over to the horizontal stream. There's 2 live streams going on my channel right now. Just click on the one that does not have the word mobile in the title, and that's where most people are hanging out. Feel free to pop over there. It's a better viewing experience too. Crypto Daddy, you like how I connect with you guys? Well, I am one of you guys. I'm nothing special, right? I'm an average dude, average trader, I feel. You know, I'm profitable, yeah, but I mean, I'm not out here posting massive profits. I'm not copy trading 20 accounts, slinging around size. Baba Booey, what's up? New to the trading world. Any advice outside of only bet what you can't afford, what you can afford to lose? Well, that is highly accurate, right? The best advice that I can give, Baba Booey, is before you put any real money into the markets, or invest in anything, I would highly recommend paper trading for at least 6 months before, and prove that you can be profitable trading before you ever sink any real money into it. First, you got to learn what kind of trader you want to be, like if you want to trade options, if you want to trade stocks, if you want to trade futures contracts, if you want to trade the Forex market, you kind of got to determine what you want to trade and what suits your personality and your emotions the best. And in order to do that, I feel like you should go through that process paper trading rather than just going full steam ahead and throwing a bunch of money. Because inevitably what's going to happen is if say you start an account with $2,000, a personal account with $2,000, within 2 weeks that $2,000 could be gone, you know, really quickly. So I would say do your homework for sure. Howard, you do 0 DTE trades on the on the triple Qs? Yeah, Howard. So TradingView is actually like it's great for charting. Executions TradingView is actually really poor in my opinion. There are better execution platforms out there than TradingView. Futures like gold or platinum. Yeah, Howard. So the contracts always change on futures contracts. So they roll every so often. I can't remember what the rollover dates are for the metals. You know, like gold and silver and platinum and all that. It's quarterly for the U.S. indexes. So like ticker symbol NQ or ES, you know, the Nasdaq or the S&P 500 futures. Those roll quarterly. So you just have to keep that in mind. So you might just be selecting the wrong contract, the current contract, the front month. So first, just make sure you're on the current contract on gold. You should be able to select a front month or a continuous contract on TradingView. You could always just stick to that, but when it comes close for the contract time to roll over, you'll have to find the specific contract that you're rolling over to initially. The charts won't line up. I mean, we're getting up to an area of interest for me. We're definitely getting up there. Yeah, Tyler, this was nice absorption here. For sure. Right below 80. You got aggressive sellers, price unable to move down. Yep, that's a perfect example of the absorption. Big red bubbles, not a lot of big green bubbles. Ninja is your favorite, Kelly. Tradeovate works too. Yeah, I love Quantower. I've been trading on it for 3 years now. I don't know that I'll ever, you know. I do kind of want to try Trades by Matt's platform when it rolls out, Tradester. But who knows when that's going to happen. I feel like he's been promoting that for over a year. And it has not been released to the public yet. It's still in beta. But here's the thing that I do know about Matt, right? Is he's going to make sure that it's probably going to be the best available platform out there when he does roll it. Yeah, Howard, actually, if you're trading options right now, Howard, futures is way easier to understand than options. Believe it or not. Antonio, so it's Trades by Matt's trading platform. It's called Tradester. It's not released to the general public yet, though. It's not available. It's still in testing format. They're still working on it. Juventino. I'm thinking, are you on the Nas right now? Juventino, what are you trading? Or are you trading Ethereum? Is that what you're saying, ETH? Oh, yes. Oh, you're trading Ethereum. Okay. Yeah, I haven't looked at it. I haven't looked at any of the cryptos at all. Not in a little while. They're so overinflated. So yeah, I like the short side. You heard MFFU is in the process of creating their own trading platform, Trade Flows? Hi, Jazz. Funding ticks is $2,500 profit target, $2,000 end of day, only $62. I heard they were really cheap. I do know that. They're kind of newer though. Like that's the futures branch of funding pips, right? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Kelly. I mean, you guys would know more about that stuff than I do. Like I said, I do not really I don't really watch any other streams anymore. They only pay out with crypto? Oh, funding ticks only pays out with crypto? Really? That's their only payout option? Is crypto? I don't know about that. If I like that. I don't know if I like that. Do you get to pick which coin you get paid out in? Kelly, it's basically your social life lately. I know trading is so, it's such a lonely profession, right? When you're on the retail side of things. That's why I'm happy I have you guys. That's why I'm happy I have the stream. You know, it's so hard to go out into real life and talk about what you do for a living, because inevitably what happens is people are either like, can you teach me? And it's like, well, do you have 4 years of your life to give? Right? And then the second question is, it always turns into something else. Can you make me money? It's like, no, I can't make you money. I cannot make you money. But you always get all these crazy questions, and you don't have, there's nobody that can relate except for the people online, you know, that you talk to. It's very random that I run into somebody that actually knows trading in my real life. Not that you guys aren't my real life, but you know what I mean. Oh, if you're outside the US, you think they do pay in crypto? So, what do they pay? Dope book, you're my imaginary friend. Howard, because it doesn't involve the Greeks. There's nothing really that you have to pay attention to as far as, it's really simple. You're buying and selling. There's nothing, you know, there's not a straddle that you're going to put on. There's no, you know, worrying about in the money, out of the money. You know when the expiration date is automatically. You can get in and out of trades. There's no PDT rule. You don't have to have $25,000 in your account to place day trades. Yep, Howard, so no time decay. None of that. No Greeks. Nothing. AZ, those are people who have purchased channel memberships to my channel. So those are people who have paid $5 a month to support my channel. That's why their names are green. And why they have the WE logo next to their names. They also get access to my pre-market trading plans on the Nasdaq each morning in the Discord. All right, we're finally getting the move up here, guys. Flawless Trader, so they support Rise for the payout as well? Okay. Yeah, Rye's not bad. Limitless. What do you mean you get to meet me sometimes around midnight? Yeah, Howard, I would say of the two, if you're just starting out, I would start out trading futures 100%, because I tried your route, like tried trading options first. Futures is so much less complicated. MP, yeah, so if you, you would need to join the Discord, level up. You would need to link your YouTube account to your Discord profile, and after you would purchase the membership, you would get access to those pre-market trading plans, for sure. Flawless Trader, you trade with them so far? They pay out pretty quick? Oh, okay, nice. We're talking funding ticks, right? You've been trading options for 8 months on your live account? Yeah, I think, Howard, I think once you know what's going on with futures, you'll be like, oh my gosh, why didn't I figure this out sooner? Why did I not figure this out sooner? For trading futures, yeah, Howard, I think the name futures just kind of throws you off. The reason they call it futures is because it's got an expiration date into the future, but really it's just trading. Do you think the market's going to go up or down from a certain price? NQ, it's for every point on the NQ per mini contract is $20, per micro contract is $2. On the ES, a point is $50 per contract, or $5 per micro contract a point. I think YM is, what is YM? Is YM $5 a point? I think YM's $5 a point. I can't remember. But there's all kinds of futures symbols out there. You can trade commodities. You can trade, like we can trade gold if we wanted to trade gold. Gold is crazy though. I don't recommend starting on gold or silver or platinum. I would starting out, I would probably watch ticker symbol ES. That's where I would start with futures. Am I right about that, guys? Or YM, the Dow Jones. Those are probably the two where I would start. Yeah, Kelly, MES. Yeah. Yeah, I would definitely start out with micros. That way you can get your feet wet, get used to it, see how the index likes to move. Yeah, Ro, actually you're right. NQ's kind of volatile as well. Yeah, Tyler. Yeah, YM is nice and smooth, and it likes to trend. Like this morning when the Nasdaq and ES were kind of chopping around at the beginning of the session, YM was actually trending to the downside pretty good. RM, what's the difference with micros? They're 1/10 the value of a mini contract. So it's a lot smaller size, a lot less risk. Yeah, Howard, exactly. The majority of the futures is based on your ability to spot support and resistance, really. Like however you define support and resistance. Finding key levels to execute off of, because the indexes like to trade level to level. If you've done well reading, individual symbols, charts, and technical analysis, you'll do very well in futures. Gold unstoppable. Any cells you see in your map? All I've got, I don't have the gold DOM up right now. Let me see. What is gold doing? Oh my goodness. Yeah, there's no shorting this. I don't care what the Dom is saying. You're not shorting this. Are you? You guys are crazy if you're shorting this. Yeah, Howard, you'll love futures. You'll love futures. It's 23 hours, 5 days a week. 23 hours a day, 5 days a week. The futures markets are open. Tommy shorting gold. Give me a second, guys. I'm gonna go kick this fan on real quick. Whirlwind, sorry, I'm just seeing your message there. How is it compared to Forex? Honestly, I think it's easier and better than Forex. Now, I never really dove into the Forex side of things myself. It was what I looked at initially because of all the online propaganda that's out there in the Forex world, you know. Obviously, I've seen the videos. But I definitely think futures is where it's at, for sure. For your day trading purposes, I do think futures move a lot better. They provide more opportunity. I think it's a lot easier. Yeah, give it a shot, Whirlwind. I mean, just watch the markets one day. Paper trade an account one day. See how you like it. For those of you that are in the mobile format of the stream and want to see the full screen and get the full viewing experience, you can pop on over to the other live stream that doesn't have the word mobile in the title, and that's where everybody's hanging out at. Feel free to pop over to the other live stream on my channel. Thanks for tuning in tonight, guys. Wow, 4K. I still can't believe that. Still cannot believe that. Never thought my channel would have 4,000 subscribers. I can tell you that much right now. Wow. You're in a 4,017 short right now, Massive? Oh, no. I mean, if you're not long on gold and holding, I would be not touching this. Not touching this. I mean, I guess the best you could do on gold right now is kind of just do one of these things where you become a trend line trader. You know, wait for the break below this trend, this straight up trend. And then the retest of the trend and then the move down, I guess, is the best play I could give you right now on gold. But geez, it's a rocket ship. Oh, Rick, thanks for the membership purchase. I appreciate you. Thank you for the support. Yeah, guys, those of you that purchased memberships tonight, make sure that you link your YouTube account to your Discord profiles. Make sure you join Level Up Discord, and you'll have access to those pre-market trading plans each morning on the Nasdaq. Thank you again. Wow, great stream tonight, guys. Even though I haven't been trading at all, still a really good stream. The vibes are high. Thanks, Rick. I appreciate it. Oh, MP, you're in a good spot. Like, there's a lot of value in the Discords. We'll be able to guide you in the right direction, point you to the right places to do some learning. The two guys that I always highly recommend that people watch for futures trading that have good stuff on YouTube. They do sell mentorships. They do sell courses. You don't need to purchase any of that stuff. In fact, don't purchase any of that stuff. If you're asking me, there's enough free information out there on the internet to learn. Is the two guys that I'm going to name are Carmine Rosado for his supply and demand and DOM reading, and then Vincent Desiano for his ability to spot higher time frame swing levels. Those are the two guys that I'll recommend that you check out their channels, check out the free content that they have on their channels. That's where I did a lot of my learning from. I don't really pay attention to streamers anymore just because it clouds my judgment and is too noisy for me. So I kind of just stay in my own lane and do my own thing. But those are the two guys that have a lot of good free content out there that I would recommend. The chat might have a couple others that they could recommend for any newer beginning traders out there. But yeah, you're never going to get anything to replace actual time at the charts and at the screens in real time. Like, there's no substitute for it. You know, the markets are always changing. The environment's always changing. There's news headlines that are coming out that affect the markets. There's going to be no substitute for actually getting in there and getting in the trenches. Doesn't matter how much back testing you do. Oh, Top Dog, the two names that I just mentioned. Yeah, can somebody do me a favor? Because I don't have the ability to type in that chat right now. What's up, Tom? Can someone type out the names Vincent Desiano and Carmine Rosado for people in the chat? Yeah, Tyler, 100%. 100%. Thanks, Kelly. I appreciate you. Yeah, dope book. Thank you, guys. Shorting gold never worked for you. Yeah, thank you, guys. Thank you for typing that. I appreciate it. Goose, did someone say YM? I knew you would come around. I knew you would come around. Yeah, no, this morning when, like I said, this morning when the Nasdaq and ES were kind of doing funny things at the open for that first hour, YM was moving well. Right? Like, this is the open. Think about what the ES and the NAS were doing on the open while we were trading it. And I didn't catch this either. But this was the YM, for instance. During that time. So it trends better than I think the other symbols do, for sure. Oh, Howard, actually, the Discords are actually a great space for that, to tell you the truth. Howard, if you're interested, we have a Discord. It's called Level Up. There's a link in the description down below the video. Feel free to join. There's lots of good traders in there. We've got there's a few Discords out there that have, and people hang out in the voice chats and stuff like that. So there's There's good spaces to do that for sure. Lilo Gold needs to dump just to poo on all the longs. I don't think it's going down. It honestly, I mean, there will be a period when gold does turn a corner, right? But I mean, come on, how are we shorting this anywhere? I mean, even when it looks heavy, right? I mean, you are in buy the dip mode for sure. Probably at least, let's see, when was the last prior high that got tested on gold? Okay, so you're probably looking at this area. You're looking at a buy the dip until below 39.24 probably. Oh, did NQ fall back on us? Yeah, this is perfect actually. This is what we want. Yeah, Tom. Yeah, Tom, don't do it. Don't do it. On gold, you're only looking to buy dips right now. That's all you're looking to do. You're looking for the heavy downside and looking to get long. Yeah, Musine, I don't understand it either. So I battle that as well. I battle, you know, because for some reason you're thinking when prices at all-time highs, you're thinking, oh, come on, it's got to sell off and sell off heavy here soon, right? But it doesn't. It just continues to go higher. No, Tyler, I bet he's not. I bet he's not short on this. He's looking higher. He said it earlier. He said he's looking higher. He said he's looking up around like 125 to what did he say? 125 to 160? Something like that. Somewhere in there. And if I know Goose, he's waiting for price to get up there. Oh, Goose, I just saw the tag in your Discord. Thanks, brother. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Thanks for the tag. Crypto, you may short around 74? Oh, man. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, Tom, I've been the fool to try to short all-time highs. I'm not going to do that anymore. Like, what I'm going to do when price is at all-time highs, no matter the symbol at this point, I'm going to wait until it breaks down heavy, goes back up, and retests a prior support area, and rejects and turns it into resistance. That's what I'm going to do, and it's going to be a higher time frame level. I will sit on my hands. I will wait 2 days, 3 days if I have to. I'm no longer going to be that person that's chasing that tippy top short at all-time highs. Not going to be this guy. Like right now we're good on the NAS. We're good on ES. We're actually looking for resistance to come in, to form at a level. My next level to ES to the top side, I'd probably be watching 67.80 is where I would be looking at on ES for the short. If you want to short the highs, be ready to DCA to London Open at 4 a.m. Hey, thanks for the sub, Joe. I appreciate you. Jeez. We rocketed right past 4K tonight, guys. Look at that. Are you kidding me? We're going to have a 100 subscriber stream. Yeah, Tom, that's kind of what I'm thinking. I'm thinking higher. I'm thinking higher. But I'm also not going to long up here. Yeah, Kelly, gold is way up there. Oh, that's right, Crypto. You do trade Ranko charts, don't you? Yeah, thanks, Piter. Thanks, Piter. yeah. My subs are following gold, aren't they? What's the price on gold? Let's see here. Where are we at? 4,031. What's my sub count at? Look at this. Look at this. The subs are following gold, guys. That's crazy. Oh goodness. Subs are eating liquidity. It's a coincidence. Yeah, I know, Flawless. It's crazy, isn't it? That's a crazy coincidence, though. All right, everyone leave so we stay in tune with gold. Thanks, CB. I appreciate you. No, thank you so much, guys. Like, really. I'm still in shock. But that is pretty funny. That my sub count is right in line with gold right now. In fact, it matches exactly currently. It matches exactly. Oh, that's funny. That is funny. Yeah, I know it's the exact same value. AC, did you see it? Oh man. Now get it to match in Q? Oh my goodness. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. That's a stretch. Yeah, Tom, I'm not like, look, if I don't like a trade, I mean, from time to time, I'll do something really degenerate, but I did that last night on stream. I'm not going to do that tonight. I'm not going to do it back-to-back nights. I try to avoid doing that. If I'm not comfortable, if I don't see something, I'm not going to get into the trade. It's just not going to happen. I'll go, I mean, you guys have seen it before. You want me to actually, yeah, let's take a screenshot of this. Can we get gold to tick down to 31, please? That'd be great. Let me zoom in here. I needed to say 31 before I go clipping any screenshots here, though. I'm gonna have to time this up right. Come on, gold. Fall back a little bit. Just a little bit. Come on, gold. Or get another subscriber. One of the two. One of the two. It's gonna run away from me, guys. Gold's outpacing me. Gold is outpacing my channel. Look at this. I'm gonna need 2 more subs here soon. Guys, don't short gold right now. Don't do it. Oh no. Come on. Get there. Oh, I need to clip it real quick. No, it fell off. Give me a second. This is so hard to time up. So hard to time up. All right, here we go. I got it. I got it. All right, we're good. Thank you to all you subs. I appreciate you. Subs are matching gold currently. All right, back to the chat. Oh, Tom, you keep clicking subscribe. Oh, man, Potter. You said I would catch up with gold? Yeah, I did catch. That's crazy. I mean, it's not... honestly, what's happening on the channel is insane. Like I said before, I never anticipated that kind of growth. For sure. You're gonna wait for a subscriber pullback, then go long on WE? Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy what's happening. Like I said, I can't thank you all enough. It's because of you guys. It's your guys hitting that like button every night. It's you guys engaged in the chat. Even those little like reactions, the hearts, the smiley faces, the celebrations, all that helps. I mean, that really helps the channel. I can't thank you all enough. Like, it's unreal. Tyler, Palm's doing okay. He was in the stream. He was here on the stream last night, or at least in the chat. I think he's just focused up, trying to trade well. Flawless. How much in payouts have I received? Is that what you're asking? Like over time? Over 4 years' time? This channel is gold cap. Oh, this year, Flawless? Payout totals this year. Oh, nice, Ed. Thank you. Appreciate you. Yeah, you are a gold subscriber. Flawless. I trade with My Funded Futures. I trade with Top Step. I trade with Lucid. And I trade with Take Profit Trader currently. Payouts total year to date right now. I'm probably... With the props, I'm probably around like 60K. Somewhere around there. Year to date with the prop firms. I honestly don't know the actual total currently. That total that you see on the thumbnails is what I've made on stream since I've started streaming the globex. So since May, like mid-May, late May, somewhere around there. But that total is what I've made on the live streams. Just the live streams. That's not my full trading. So it's just like a running stream P&L. Oh, Flawless, you traded. You just started with... Yeah, I like Lucid. I do like Lucid a lot. My Funded Futures is good too. You know, there's pros and cons to all the props. Top Dog, Lucid's nice. I like it so far. I haven't heard anybody say anything bad about them. The only thing that's different is you're not entitled to the buffer at all, really. So it's kind of, I guess Apex has a rule that's kind of similar to that. So you have to get your account balance once funded past the buffer and then some in order to request a payout. But if you can get there, I think Lucid's transition to a live account is probably the best. Top Steps is pretty good. Lucid's about half the price of Top Step though. They're just so new to the scene. Like, they're so new. So a lot of people don't know about them just yet. But if you guys are interested, they do have a free Discord as well. Feel free to join Lucid's Discord. Their CEO is very active in the Discord. Yeah, that's true, Flawless. They do have a daily loss limit. You're right. You're right. But every prop's gonna have something. Like, you gotta... Yeah, Tom, it's $87, no activation fee, for sure. It is. And I have a code with Lucid as well. Yeah, Dope Book. I saw I want to say Brian Stonk did one as well, where he interviewed him on a live stream. My friend Banana Bread trades as a partner with Lucid. He's a Lucid partner. So they're good. They're good. They're reliable. Dope. Yeah, for those of you tripping on a DLL with a live account. Look, honestly, I've been trading with... thanks, Tom. I appreciate you. I've been trading with the DLL since the very beginning. You know, Top Step, like, prop firms aren't... The rules aren't always as easy as they are right now. I can tell you that. When I started trading with Top Step, it was a 3-week process just to get funded. 2 steps. You know, the first step was 5 trading days. The second step was 10 trading days. With consistency built into the second step. You know, so you really were encouraged to take things extremely slow. Extremely slow. Hey, what's up, Lorenzo? How are ya? DLO on Monopoly money is dumb, but a live account, it's necessary. Yeah, at the end of the day, trading is just about risk management, really. Lorenzo, no, I didn't trade gold. I did not trade gold. I'm just watching gold because it's moonshotting, and my subscriber count was the exact same as gold for a minute. It was actually, we passed gold, guys. We passed gold. We are higher than gold. We are accelerating faster than gold right now. Oh man, too funny. Oh, last night you had your take profit at 3. Yeah, that's right, you did. I remember that, Lorenzo. I think you said it. Hey, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, 4K subs, it means a lot, guys. It means a lot. I mean, shoot, at the rate we're going, we'll be at 5K before we know it. I mean, we're working on a 100 subscriber stream tonight. I think we started the stream at like 50. Let's see, 3,954 or something like that. So yeah, we're working on a 100 sub stream. Massive, you're gonna cut it at 4,035. I mean, this is a big leg up on gold, guys. Like, if you are, I just don't know where it's gonna end. Like, where is it going to turn around? A top dog. Me and Pine should battle it out? What do you mean by battle it out? Pine's a friend. What are we battling over? I like Pine. Pine's heavily involved with like the a dance battle. Pine's heavily involved with the you know, like the trading streamer universe. Like he's in with the he's in with all the props. I'm not. I'm kind of in my own little world over here. Pine's doing his thing. Pine's doing his thing. He isn't he, I think he's in 2 competitions right now, right, Top Dog? Isn't he doing Patrick Whelan's and Trade Days competitions right now? Yeah, Tommy, anyone can sign up for the Patrick Challenge. People have a big head start, though. Ooh, Tyler, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I don't have a gold chart with the Clipper on it. In fact, I don't have any chart with the Glizzy on it right now. Hey, later, Kelly. Enjoy your night. Yeah, Veej. Yeah, Veej. Look at this. Look at this move on gold. It's not. It's a meme coin. It's GameStop right now. It's crazy. Like, look at this chart, guys. Look at this chart. I mean, how crazy is that? Yeah, I know. Everybody should just hit the buy button on gold, apparently. If you can take a little bit of drawdown. But, man, that's insane. A lot of money was made tonight. A lot of money was made tonight, guys. Gosh, dude, this is what the Nas has done since I've been... I mean, there was a little bit of this move up. But this is what the Nas has done since we've been live. Yikes. Oh, and Ranko, it's a straight move? Yeah, Tom. Yeah, there's no shorting gold. Can't short gold. 100 points is 10K on one lot. Yeah, I know, Captain. It's crazy. It's crazy. Absolutely insane. Man. Well, I don't know if we're going to get a move here tonight, guys. If you short gold, gold will shoot you. Yeah, I mean, it will take your head off. It will take your head off. It will grind you into the ground. Yeah, Crypto, you can take a screenshot and post it in the Discord if you want to. It could have been worse. I know, it's crazy. Absolutely crazy. I have a feeling what's going to happen, guys, is I'm going to end the stream, right? I'm going to end the stream, and then the markets are going to start moving around. Maybe that's what I need to do. Because this ain't it for me right now. Gold's the only thing that's moving, but there's no getting in at this point. There is no entering gold right now. I bet silver's flying around too. This has pretty much been our entire live stream right here. This is the story. Later, Dope. I'm probably gonna tune out here soon too. How many people we still got in here? We got 165 people in here right now. Yeah, guys, we'll call it quits for tonight. Hopefully, when I end the stream, it gives you guys a little bit more movement so you can make some money. Thank you so much for the 4K subs. Like I said, I appreciate all the love and support. I don't deserve it. I don't deserve any of you guys. For those of you that are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm glad you're a part of this community. Hey, BW, thanks. Yeah, I'm glad you guys are a part of this community. Hopefully you find value here. Hopefully you tune in each and every night. For those of you that are new, I do live stream Sunday through Thursday starting at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard. Tune in, come hang out. It's always a good time. We got a good community going on. There's not a ton of trolling, and if there is trolling, it's generally joking around. Thanks for being a part of this ride with me, man. It's been amazing. Enjoy the rest of your night. Trade safe, stay patient, and I will see you all tomorrow night at 8:30. Peace.